if I were to define purpose, I would say purpose for me has to do with meaning, fulfillment, and focus. To me, it's almost like an awakening of what's inside. So in a general way, indeed, purpose ought to be that thing, that meaning that comes out when you are most enlightened. That's what I feel.
Fulfillment, enlightenment, meaning.
Yes, awakening.
All very important words with, consequential meaning, with, serious implications. So do you believe, given your definition, that it is important for you as an individual and others to have an understanding of their purpose?
Yes, it is important that we have this understanding, because it's almost like you are born with it, but you need the keys to unlock it. And for you to find those keys, you have to find yourself. And you speak about it's important that you find an understanding of it. It's almost like an unfulfilled person to not awaken or to not find that meaning, or to not be, find that focus that you were meant to be, that it's almost innate. I say innate because I think each of us are born with it. It's just for us to find that special thing that unlocks it. So it's almost the most important thing that you'll ever do in your life, to find that purpose.